Do you want to create an amazing animated story with text to video and image to video, all in one AI tool? The answer is yes, it's possible. Today, I will tell you about a new AI tool that is perfect for making AI videos. Not only does it generate videos, but it also offers many unique features that other tools don't have. It provides a simple and efficient way to create high-quality AI-generated videos without any technical skills required. Whether you want to make short clips, storytelling videos, or trending animations, this tool has everything in one place. With this tool, you can create HD animated videos, hug videos, dancing videos, and new viral trending videos with no effort. Just click and generate. The AI automatically processes your input and turns it into a complete video within seconds, making content creation fast and efficient. You don't need to edit manually or add effects separately because this tool does everything for you instantly. Let's get started. Open the ClipArt AI tool and log in with your ID. You'll see an amazing interface that is simple to navigate. Click on the AI tool and then click on the video generator. Two options will appear: text to video and image to video. Both options allow you to create AI-generated videos effortlessly, depending on whether you want to generate content from text or enhance an existing image into a video format. First, try text to video. With the help of ChatGPT, generate any prompt and paste it there. The AI processes the text and creates an amazing AI video within just a minute. This tool is very helpful for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to generate videos without spending hours on editing. I already generated amazing pictures with the text-to-video tool, and you can see the results are stunning. Now, try the image-to-video option. Just upload any image and click on Generate Video. The AI video generator analyzes the image and turns it into a fully animated video with smooth motion effects. This process requires only 10 credits, making it an affordable and easy way to generate high-quality AI videos. Next, let's try another tool, the kissing tool. Just click on it, add two images you want to create a kissing scene with, and click on Generate. The AI quickly processes the images and generates an amazing kissing scene that looks natural and seamless. Another tool we can try is the hug tool. Simply upload two pictures and click on Generate. The AI tool combines the images and creates an animated hug scene with realistic movements. This feature is great for storytelling, romantic content, or emotional video clips. One more tool is the dancing tool. Add two pictures and click on Generate, and you'll see it create an incredible dancing video. The AI detects body positions and movement patterns to create smooth and lifelike dance animations that look engaging and professional. This feature is perfect for creating fun and interactive content. There's also a new feature called the Ghibli tool, which generates amazing videos. Just click, upload a picture, and click on Generate. Within a few moments, the AI creates an incredible Ghibli-style video that looks like traditional 2D animation. This feature is great for creating artistic and visually stunning animations that stand out from regular AI videos. As you can see, many tools are available within this one AI tool. You can even edit any video within this tool, which is a key feature that makes it unique from other AI video generators. The built-in editor allows you to refine, enhance, and customize your videos without needing separate software. If you want additional editing options, you can also use CapCut, which is another amazing tool for creating and editing AI videos. The price of this tool is not too high. With just 10 credits, you can generate one video, which is amazing. This makes it a cost-effective solution for anyone looking to create AI-generated content without spending too much money on expensive software or subscriptions. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.